Welcome to Me with Nature, where we explore the vastness of the snow-clad Himalayas. Previously, we went to the flower garden of Gangtok and the famous Tashi viewpoint. Both of the tourist spots provided us with immense satisfaction as we traveled all over Gangtok and explored the city. Today, we are going to somewhere quite far from Gangtok and meet the pass of the listening ear, Nathula. We finished our breakfast as we buckled up our cars and went on a long but calming journey towards Nathula. The roads were windy, the sun was high in the sky. We saw many dwellings along our way and spectacular valleys. The weather was very lovely. I take that back. Shortly after, the weather grew foggy as we got closer to Nathula and arrived at Kyongzula.
So we are in Kyongzula camp. Its altitude is 10,400 feet. It's quite cold here. You can see the cloud over there. See? We are like in the cloud level.
I wondered how it would feel to glide through these valleys as a bird. We saw many meandering rivers and very small streams. We entertained ourselves through eating snacks, singing or cracking jokes. Sometimes we would gasp in awe as we saw some spectacular sceneries along our road. As we stopped, we also stopped at some shops and stalls to refresh ourselves and eat. The journey was tiring and exciting at the same time. The road's condition was not good. We had to overcome some very dangerous road situations, but thanks to our driver uncle, we got off those safely. Many other people were also returning from Nathula, so the road was quite trafficked. Anyways, we reached Thule, another stop before we went to Nathula.
See, we are in the Nathula Pass, and for the security reason, we are not opening the actual part of the Indo-China border. It's near about 1 degree centigrade temperature, and it's very cold over here. We are just freezing, and you can see that lots of vehicles are over there. People are just coming down from the pass, and on that area, you have to go over there for the. You have to go over there to visit the Nathula Pass. So now we need some report from Ayush Banerjee. Here he is.
Oh, hi. So this is Nathula. As you can see, it's very freezing cold here. As you can see, there is that my mouth is filling with that. What I will say, I don't know, but there is pretty much cloud in there. This is the cloud area. As you can see, everywhere is clouds. So this is nearly 0 to 1 degree centigrade here.
And we find some ice over there.
Yes, we have found some ice over there, and it is extremely soft. When you touch it, it will move away like this. The liquid water, semi-solid structure like that. So we have gone there, and we are just freezing cold. My head is paining that much. I have a headache that much.
अरुनी बरुनी जता हेर्यो तरुनी लाउन मैले कसो गरुनी यता हेरौँ उता हेरौँ खैरो कपाल पाल्ने आज यो दिन के यस्तो केसै हुने बस उतनै
After Thule, we went out to our road to Nathula, and the weather then was the worst, like you could see nothing at all. Well, this episode ends here. In the next episode, we will travel more areas near Nathula. But till then, see you tomorrow.